Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to talk about my 2021 work from home setup. So this is a new desk that I bought. I have a bunch of new equipment, new gadgets, new gear. And in today's episode, dadaanan natin siya. We'll go over the items. We'll check out the functionalities. I'll share how they make me more productive or how they make me at least feel better kasi ang mahal nila. So if that interests you, if you're thinking of setting up your own work from home space for 2021, you're thinking of upgrading, you're thinking of optimizing, this vlog is for you. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you watch until the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Tara, let's go. So when you enter my home office, this is what you see. I have like a really nice chair over here where I, either plop down and read a book. We have a bunch of sneakers. My perfume collection is over here. A couple of Funko Pops over there. More sneakers over here. Sneakers that I need to unbox for the channel over here. At least konti na lang sila, not as many as before. But the real main working space is this one. So this is my work from home / mini YouTube studio setup. So we'll go over the desk first because this is actually a smart desk. It can go up, it can go down. It's fully automated. It has a wireless charging surface. And I just want to talk about how awesome this table is. By the way, I know that my cable management sucks. I'm working on it. Abangan niyo yan. We'll fix it. In the next version of this video, the cable should be, optimized. So like what I mentioned, this can convert from a normal sitting desk wherein you sit down and you work to a standing desk. It's fully automated. All you have to do is press a button over here and it has a mechanism where it can go up if you want to work standing up, or you can press the down button and it will start to move downwards. There's actually a memory setting mode, so you can actually automatically set the levels on where you want to go. So para like memory mode siya. Kung gusto mo a certain height, you save it so that it's easier. So if we sit down on the desk, this is what it looks like from the surface. Here on the right side, these are the controls. So this is where you press to either elevate it or to lower the desk. Over here, if you can check, it's actually wirelessly charging because this area over here is a wireless key charging space. All you have to do is to put your phone there and it will wirelessly charge your device. Sobrang panalo. And speaking of charging, you have 3 USB slots over here near the edge of the desk. So if you want to charge additional gadgets that aren't wireless charging, you can just slot them over here. I have my laptop over here, which is a MacBook that's due for a replacement. I actually bought a new MacBook and I'll be replacing this very soon. This awesome leather mat over here is from Orbit Key. So they're the ones who made the Orbit Key Nest and it's perfect for the size of the desk. Now, if you guys want this, I will link it where I bought it from Lazada. It actually has like a magnetic clip over there to help you with your cable management, and it has slots for your pens. Speaking of pens, those are my 2 pens over there. This is a gift from the wife. This is a Mont Blanc with my initials over there, while this is the Little Prince Mont Blanc, which I bought for myself last Christmas. We have this magic keyboard from Apple. We have this amazing Logitech MX Master 3, if I'm not mistaken, one of the best ergonomic mice that you can buy today. This one, by the way, is on sale on Lazada. If you want one, I will link it down below on where you can buy this at a good price. I will also link this mat as well as the Orbit Key Nest over here, which is a portable compartment gadget organizer that also serves as a wireless charging tray. Now, if you move over here towards the edge of the desk, you're probably thinking what this is. This is actually a custom watch case that I have wherein it actually says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I had this made and what I do every week is I plan at the start of the week what watches I will wear. So if you take a look at this one for Monday, it's like my JLC Reverso. On Tuesday, we're looking at wearing the Explorer in white. This is the Deep Sea Dweller I have over here. We have like the Omega over here. We have the Oris Aquis Caliber 400. We have my Panerai, and we have the Seiko Apocalypse Vintage. Got this new old stock. So what I do every week, at the start of every week, is already plan what watches I wear, and then I put them over here so that I just follow what I wear for the day. I just pop the box open, get the watch, and that's it. Speaking of watches, if we turn to the side of the desk, I have my other watch collection. I won't go through every single piece, but there's a lot. We have actually Seikos, we have G-Shocks, we have Swiss watches. They're all here to the side. Now, it's not just the desk that's smart. It's actually also my trash can. So my trash can is from Xiaomi. It's called, I think, the Xiaomi Townsend something. It's like a smart trash can which has a motion sensor. So if I hover my hand on top of it, it will automatically open. And when it's full, I just have to press a button and it will automatically seal and close the trash bag and replace it the moment I remove the trash bag. Ang galing, no? So I'll show you. So here we have the Xiaomi Town New, yung pangalan niya, trash can. So this is the motion sensor. So all you have to do, hover, and it opens. And there's some sort of like UV cleanser over there as well. So it's very easy to throw your trash. It's very easy to replace the black garbage bag that's inside. If you want to buy one, I will link down below as well to where I got this from Lazada, which is also currently on sale. Now over here, for my background, is like some sort of like a creative inspiration passion wall. So at the very back over there, you see my giant infinity gauntlets, which I've been collecting. You have my Dragon Ball Funko Pop. Work from home perils. Someone is calling. Hold on. This TV over here is from Kuka. It's a very big, smart Android TV that's also quite affordable. They're also on sale. So if you want one, I will also link it down below. We also have over here like a gadget inspiration wall. Obviously, we have like a bunch of white sneakers at the top. We have some camera lenses, extra cameras. We have the Xiaomi Mi 10 T5G Pro over there. You can see. And then we have like this nice Supreme power bank that I got from Mophie, an extra Sony camera, AirPods Pro over here. That's the AirPods Max. I did a video on that. I'll link it down below. And just a bunch more other stuff, from bags to gauntlets to shoes to more phones that I'm currently reviewing. It's really just a mixed bag of stuff that I like and that I want. But yeah, pretty much that's the setup. The standing desk is super helpful in allowing me to get more steps in throughout the day. Because the problem is, if I just sit throughout the entire day for the work from home or the editing setup, voila, I won't be able to hit my fitness goals. I won't be able to hit like 10,000 steps. So I might not even reach like 5,000. So this has been really helpful in my ongoing like weight loss journey. So sobrang panalo. It's a great, fantastic investment for me. I wasn't able to buy it on Lazada, but there are standing desks that you can buy there. I will link them down below. This specific desk, I just saw somebody was selling it on Facebook. Now at this point in the video, I just want to remind everybody that we have ongoing giveaways. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now would be one of the best times to do so. We are giving away an MSI laptop, an entry-level version of the 50,000 laptop that I showed you in the past. We're giving away sneaker gift certificates from different sneaker shops such as Soul Republic. All the links to all the giveaways, to the vlogs where we talk about the giveaways, are linked down below. Make sure that you guys check them out. But the prerequisite is that you subscribe. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and like this video right now. So there you have it. That's my current work from home setup for 2021. It's optimized to be smart. It's optimized to be a little bit healthier and more ergonomic and more allow me to hit at least some sort, or at least help me hit my fitness goals. What about you guys? Let me know what your ideal work from home setup is, what your current work from home setup is. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to learn from you. What would you suggest that I add? Let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely check it out. With that said, this is Carlo. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do have a watch vlog, by the way, and I will be doing a video talking about my entire watch collection, which I will upload there this week. So make sure that you guys catch my watch vlog coming soon. Link to my watch vlog down below. With that said, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.